Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging. Hold that moment, safety first. Once unplugged, ground yourself on an ESD mat and remove the lower cover with the P5. You need a steady hand. While opening, lay out the new NVMe SSD, thermal pads, and Torx bits so you won't hunt mid-task. Make sure you have a bootable Mac OS USB or plan to use recovery. That way, once you install hardware, you can immediately reformat and restore. Proceed carefully to the internal chassis. You now isolate power and carefully unscrew the SSD bracket. This is the delicate middle. Once the bracket is off, observe the standoff position and remove the old NVMe at a slight angle. Avoid flexing the board. Insert the new SSD the same way, seating the gold edge fully and lowering it to the standoff, then fasten the screw snug but not over-tightened. Add a thermal pad where needed. This protects temperatures. Reconnect any battery or internal power link before closing the chassis. Once reassembled, reconnect power and peripherals and power on. If Mac OS doesn't start, hold Option or Command R to enter recovery. You'll open Disk Utility to erase and format the new drive as apps or apps encrypted, then install Mac OS from your USB or over the internet. Make sure to restore your Time Machine or migration backup afterward. If you hit a roadblock, no drive scene or no boot, reset SMC/firmware, reseat the SSD, and retry internet recovery before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.